Cerezo of ABS-CBN.
Hi, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sorry.
It still feels like the morning now.
Bago meeting and job. Okay. So, congratulations. Very exciting yung trailer pa lang. What I want to know is, for the leads, what made you accept itong pitch na to? What drew you to the script, to the story?
Ako kasi ang dami ko na nagawang rom-com eh, pero ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na mapredict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya eh. So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-planned nang mag-reunion kami ng tatlo eh. Talagang pinag-usapan na namin. And then, I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch na pagka-sulat ni Direk ng movie groups. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes this special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Pili ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Block Z. But this one, Mirabella, oo nga pala. Yan na yan yung kulay.
Tama.
Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So.
Okay, so Julia, you're on a roll, ha? Since Julia. And ang galing nung sa trailer pa lang. So, since Metro Manila Film Festival, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre, for Best Actress!
Of course.
Patingin nyo, direct na.
Naman.
May
So,
laban.
kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direk?
Oo.
You know what? I don't know. I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobrang ko silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakadyahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year, and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun. Grateful naman ako with this alone.
And of course, best, would you say, ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino? Alin ba?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You show yung isa sa best performances mo.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering this.
Direct.
Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.